everyone. Today we will be discussing about Class 7 Maths Chapter 8 Exercise 8.2 Question number 1. So let's get started. The first question in this question is 1 by 8. We have to convert it to percentage. How will we convert? 1 by 8, we will write it over here and then into 100, because percentage is equals to 100 by 100 in fractions. Okay. 1 by 8 into 100, which is equals to 1 into 100. This is another equation after this. 1 into 100 is 100 divided by 8 and then equals to. Okay. So we check what is 100 divided by, as you know, 1 into 100 is 100. Now we divide it. 100 divided by 8. So in 10, how many 8? 1. 1 8s are 8, and then we will get it as here 2 and then is 0. In 20, 2 times 8 will go, then 16, 10, 1, 0, and instead of this 0 we will put a point, and then 10 minus 6 is equals to 4, we will put a 0 over here. We will put here also a point. Okay. Now in 40, how many 8s are there? 5 8s. Okay. 5 8s are 40 and then 0 will get. Okay. So we got the quotient as 12.5. Okay. 1 into 100 divided by 8 is 12.5, then percentage. This is the answer. We'll write the answer over here. 12.5 percentage. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. B question is 2. So B question is 5 by 4. We have to convert it to percentage. How will we convert it? 5 by 4 into percentage or 100. Okay. We can't cut this both down. Either we have to cut it like this or like this. Okay. So we can't cut it this way and this way in this case. So we'll cut it like this. So 5 into 100 is equals to 500 and the denominator is same. Okay. Now we got the answer 5 by 4. Okay. Now we have to 500 by 4. Now we have to divide 500 by 4. Okay. So 5 4s are 1. 10, 2, 2 and 0, 25. Okay. 5 4s are 20, and then we minus 20 by 20. 20 minus 20 is equals to 0. So we got the quotient as 125. Okay. So when we divide these both, we will get 125 percentage. Okay. We have to put this percentage when we convert it to percentage. Okay. This percentage symbol is compulsory. So this answer is 125 percentage or 125 percentage. This is the answer. Now we'll go to the C question. C question is, now the C question is by 40. Okay, we have to convert it. How will we convert this? 3 by 40, okay, into 100. Into 100, we cut this 0 away and this 0 also, because in this 140 comes in the table of 2, okay, but 3 doesn't comes in the table of 2, so we'll just cut this and this. Now we got 4 and 10, okay. So now what we'll do, we'll cut this, and how 2 2s are 4, okay, so we'll write here 2, and then 5 2s are 10, so we'll write here 5 and the 3 remaining, okay. So what we'll do, 3 into 5 by 2 is equals to 15 by 2, okay, 15 by 2. Now we have to divide this 15 by 2 and we have to see what comes. 15 by 2, okay. So in 15 how many? 7, and then 7 2s are 14, 1, then here point, and then 0. In 10 how many 2s? 0.5, okay. 5 2s are 10 and then 0, okay. So we got the quotient as, see, when we divided this 15 by 2, we got the quotient as 7.5%, okay. So the answer is 7.5%. This is the answer. Now we'll go to the next question. So D question is 2 by 7 or 2 upon 7. Now we have to convert it to percentage. How will we convert? First we will write 2 by 7 into 100. 100 comes in the table of 2 but not in 7. So what we will do? 2 into 100 by 7. 7 same denominator but numerator will change. 200 by 7, okay. Now what we'll do, 200 by 7, we have to divide it, okay. So 27, 2 sevens are 60, how many 7 will go? 8. 8 sevens are 56. Now we will 60 minus 56. 5, 0, then 10 minus 6 is equals to again 4. Okay, we got the remainder. This is the remainder. Okay, this is the quotient and this is the remainder and this also. This is the number which we divided. 200 divided by 7. Okay, so now we got this remainder as 4. We should not get this as 4. It should be 0 so that we can convert it to percentage. Now what we'll do, this 28, we'll write it over here, and this 4, we can write the answer as mixed fraction. Write the 4 over here and the 7 over here. So this is the answer. We got it as 28, 4 by 7 percentage. For writing down this method, there's a equation like thing, or easy to remember how to write this mixed fraction is queen run down. Okay, quotient, remainder, and the number which we divide. Okay. So until the next video, bye bye.